Ready to turn simple ingredients into luxurious soap? Let's dive into crafting your very own bar, step by step. Safety first. Always wear goggles and gloves when mixing lye. It's crucial for a safe soap-making journey. Next up, your oils. Choose your favorites. Olive for hydration, coconut for lather. It's all about those silky vibes. Watch the magic. The lye transforms into a powerful base. This is where the soap starts to come alive. Time to mix. Slowly combine your oils with the lye. Stir until it reaches trace. That's where the fun starts. Add your personal touch, natural colors, and enticing scents. What flavor will your soap sing today? Pour it all into a mold. This is where your creation begins to take shape. Get ready for the reveal soon. Patience is key here. Let it cool and harden. This might take a day, but trust us, it's worth the wait. The big moment. Unmold your soap. Look at those beautiful layers, ready to cleanse and refresh. Slice your creation into bars, wrap them up, and share the joy. Who's ready to indulge in your homemade soap?